Hi, I'm Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater. Thanks for joining me today with another walk around. Please feel free to give me a call on my cell phone with any questions after this video, 303-875-3988.
We're here today with one of my favorite boats from Boston Whaler, the 270 Dauntless. This is an excellent boat for get around doing everything, excellent for fishing, excellent leisure boat for getting out to those sandbars and relaxing for the day. And this one in particular comes with one of my favorite packages. It's got a Porta Products hydraulic transom. This allows you to raise the motor up and down vertically as high as the bottom of the boat while keeping the propulsion in a straight line with the rest of the boat, giving you the ability to get into shallower water. Also, as you notice, this one comes with a single outboard. Most of these come with a dual 225, but the single 350 is an option from Boston Whaler, and that gives you the ability to get into not only shallower water with the hydraulic transom, but also gets you a little bit further range, but it's more efficient while maintaining almost the same top end speeds. Pop up here on the inside, I'll show you around. Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. This one comes equipped with the trolling motor prep package as well as the folding out swim ladder for easy access on and off the bow. Moving back here on the large sun platform in front of the center console, you've got a huge storage area underneath with rod holders that pass through into the console. Also a step down to access anything you might have down there. Moving back to the helm area, you've got a convertible helm seat, electronic throttle with Mercury vessel view, power trim tabs, and your Fusion radio right there on the dash. Coming to the stern, you've got a platform for casting on that also converts up into a large seat. In front of the stern seating, we have our bait prep station, which is one of my favorite features of the Dauntless here. You've got a freshwater washdown, as well as a raw water, very deep bait bucket. If you have any other questions on this boat or any others you see online, please feel free to give me a call on my cell phone at 303-875-3988 or drop me an email at nick.hutchinson@marinemax.com. Thanks and see you next time.